Babe, see, I told you I will buy you iPhone 200.
Eh?
Yes, I feel like iPhone 2. I said iPhone 14.
Okay, iPhone 14. That means if I buy you iPhone 14, you give me 4 fork.
Jesus!
That's not a problem.
Bring the other one.
Hey. How are you?
Okay.
How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice work.
Fine.
Can you fix my car? Where's your guy?
In no day, but let me day here now.
Are you there?
Yes.
Hope you can do my vehicle well, huh?
Yes. Okay. You don't know me.
You get small problem.
You be mumu.
For this car.
Okay.
Hope you can do it well.
Well, very well.
You cannot do it well. You tell me so that I can go SW and do my motor.
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry, Oga. By the time I'm done with this car, you don't say, na me, that my Oga, na me teach and work. Now just because of conditions, I have changed things.
So you know work more than your master.
At the time you say, na me be him master, na me teacher. Because I no get money to open my own workshop. Now I come here, I come the manager.
There's no problem. When you do it well, I will be giving you work. Then I will help you and get a workshop. Yeah?
Don't worry.
I do it very well. So can I hand you over the key so that you can? Should I stay or should I go?
No, you can go.
And come back. By what time?
The next 30 minutes.
The next 30 minutes.
Come back, come carry on.
Okay, let me go. Come back.
All right.
Please make sure you do it well, oh.
Oh yeah, you check the injector. Check the vibrator. Let me check the gear box.
You be mumu. 70 years old man.
Take am well, oh.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your next generation to play.
I don't do am fast. If he come in, go say, na me teach, na me be the oga.
Not be juju Peter.
Young man,
Oga.
are you done?
Yes.
So everything is okay?
Everything is
Perfectly.
Perfectly.
Let me have it. Okay.
You be mumu.
Your money na.
No, let me test what you did before you talk about money.
Are you playing?
Your money na 10,000. Oga, no, your money na 10,000. Start am now. Oga, no, you never touch. Check this thing now.
Check what?
Start am well. You know, start am well. Start am well.
Come.
Oga, we fix the.
What is the problem?
We fix
Open that bonnet. What is all this problem?
Oga, we fix the injector.
Fix what?
Fix the vibrator. Fix the gearbox.
Fix who don't allow me to do anything that will let you to prison. Are you stupid?
Calm down.
We open this bonnet.
We fix the.
It is what? Even the bonnet cannot open bonnet.
Fix the carburetor.
Where's your master? I said, what is your master?
Continue. Is that you?
Where? Hey, my friend, come here. Where are you? Hey, my friend. I'm talking to you. You're here.
Hey, good afternoon, Chairman.
What are you doing here?
Don't understand.
My vehicle.
What's the problem?
Cannot start again. Cannot start again.
What's the problem? What happened?
Oga, I fix him car, I fix the injector, fix the vibrator, fix the carburetor. He come here, give me 10,000. You no one give me 10,000. They talk say, I no fix am well.
You be mumu.
Fix what well?
Too much.
The injector, the vibrator.
I've got this motor. I've got this vehicle here. I can't hear admonitory.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
I can't hear admonitory. He told me that I can do the vehicle more than you. They can fix it more than you.
What? Yes. Wait. Why you go work motor when they be your motor?
This is playing.
Why you go call me?
Take my phone.
Oga, it's okay. No, they shout. Hey. I don't understand.
I said you should go there and see my vehicle.
Oga, calm down. I said,
Go there and see what they did.
Oga, wait, make a talk now.
My friend said you should go there and see what they did. Look at the thing. Go there and see what they did.
Go to the vehicle.
I'm coming, I beg. Let me check this vehicle. Let this man is disturbing.
What is this?
I don't know. Let me talk to my girlfriend.
Problem.
Because he said, sell your motor.
Do you know who I am?
I don't care who you be.
Do you know who I am?
Okay, calm down. Let me request the motor. Wait,
Do you want me to show you?
now is it Corolla you dey ride? Maybe people they carry the Benz.
I can't show you.
They come.
Carry Corona.
I'm not doing how we destroy you
I
now.
cannot do anything.
I said I'm not doing how we
Okay, you cannot do anything. Okay, you cannot do anything. I said you cannot do anything. Cannot do anything.
You dey use your generation to push them.
You get
God
wish.
have mercy upon us.
To
I
70 years
will show you.
Juju be that.
I told you I will show you.
They say they wise.
I said I will destroy you. Is that you? I told you. Who gonna message you, friend? You remain like this until entirety.